Welcome to PrimePix Lab. The best light ring is probably one of the most underrated tools for anyone serious about video content. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a content creator, the quality of your video can significantly impact your audience. This ring light is designed to enhance your video calls, online meetings, and content creation by providing even, flattering light that eliminates shadows and improves overall image quality. Let's dive in and see what makes this light ring a must-have for your laptop. Number 5. ACMEZING Webcam Ring Light Kit. Tired of looking washed out on video calls? This ring light is designed to make you look your best. It provides soft, flattering light, perfect for any video conferencing situation. With 5 color temperatures and 5 brightness levels, you can customize the lighting to suit any environment. Whether it's a warm glow or a bright, cool light, it has you covered. The ring light design smooths shadows and minimizes imperfections. This makes it ideal for video conferencing, remote work, and even live streaming. The sturdy clip attaches securely to your laptop or monitor. Plus, the included tripod offers even more flexibility, letting you position it perfectly. It's powered by USB, so you can use it with your laptop, power bank, or any USB device. It's small and lightweight, making it easy to take anywhere. You'll receive the ring light, a superior clamp, a flexible tripod, and a manual. It's backed by a 60-day refund and an 18-month warranty, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like? This light offers adjustable color temperature and brightness, allowing you to customize your look. Its ring light design provides soft, flattering light, perfect for video calls. If you're looking for a versatile lighting solution for various scenarios like remote working or live streaming, this is a great choice. What people say. This lighting unit comes with 2 mounting options, a large solidly built clip with a nice ball movement that can be tightened down to position it precisely. The light itself has a standard screw that fits a standard tripod, which the included one is, and the clip takes the same standard tripod type screw as well. The light is a ring with a round array of LEDs that are about 112 inches wide going around, and it has a slim cord going to a USB port. The cord also has a control unit halfway down. The control unit has a power button, 2 buttons to cycle through the 5 possible brightness levels, and 2 buttons to cycle through the 5 color temperatures, total of 5 buttons. Number 4. Kimwood 60 LED Selfie Ring Light, 3 models. Are you frustrated with photos that lack clarity due to poor lighting? This portable ring light offers a stable and soft light source. It makes your photos brighter and more three-dimensional. It features cold, natural, and warm light modes. You can easily adjust the color to capture a perfect picture in any environment. This allows you to customize the lighting to suit your needs. Too little light can make photos unclear, while too much can cause overexposure. This selfie light allows you to easily control the brightness. With this, your shooting experience will be much smoother. This ring light is equipped with 60 LED lights, making it brighter and more durable. The battery has been upgraded to 600 mAh, providing up to 2.5 hours of use. It includes a 3-foot USB charging cable for use while charging. This selfie ring light is perfect for makeup, photos, or videos. It's available whenever you need extra light. It is a convenient tool for enhancing your content creation. What we like? With 3 dimmable light modes and 5 brightness levels, it's easy to find the perfect setting. The rechargeable battery and compact design make it incredibly portable. If you're often on the go and need a reliable light for selfies or video calls, this is the perfect option. What people say. Provides 3 different color options for variety in choosing what will go best with any natural lighting. It fits securely on my iPhone 14 and the case. The video is crisp, clear, and bright. Number 3. GearLight Selfie Ring Light for computer or phone. Are you tired of poor lighting during video calls or photos? This is the perfect solution. It provides the ultimate added light source for all your needs. The LED ring light clips onto various devices. It securely fits onto your phone, laptop, tablet, or computer monitor. Just make sure to mount it correctly to avoid glare. This ring light has a high-capacity rechargeable battery. It can run for up to 2 hours on the brightest setting. A USB cable is included for continuous power. It offers different light modes and brightness levels. You can enhance your image and reduce shadows with the adjustable settings. It helps everyone look their best. With its compact size and clip-on design, it's incredibly convenient. It's the perfect accessory for travel or room decor. Take it with you wherever you go. What we like. This light offers a simple setup and a wide clip that fits various devices. The rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting use. If you like a hassle-free lighting solution for your online activities, this is a great choice. What people say. She said it's so much easier to us 3 than her big one on a tripod. She said, I've tried 3 different ones, one much bigger, and this one really does work. It is compact, clips to my iPhone, iPad, laptop, whichever I am using for my meeting. It has 3 light settings. Number 2. Evershop ring light with tripod and clip. This set includes 2 ring lights, giving you double the light. It comes with a clip and a sturdy tripod, providing flexibility for your work or creative projects. This makeup ring light stays securely on your computer or table. The 360 degrees rotatable ball head lets you adjust it to the perfect angle. It's small and light, easy to carry around. It offers 3 light colors and 10 brightness levels. You can adjust the color temperature to suit your environment and enhance your appearance. You will get lots of compliments. The monitor ring light is USB powered, compatible with many devices. It's plug and play, making it a must-have for everyone. Contact us for any after-sales questions. We will offer you 100% satisfactory service. This desk ring light is perfect for selfies, video calls, online classes, and more. It's a great gift for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. What we like. This set includes 2 ring lights, offering double the brightness and flexibility. It comes with a tripod stand and clip for versatile placement. If you need a comprehensive lighting setup for your workspace or creative projects, consider this. What people say. It is as bright as you will make it from low to extremely bright light and has very good skin tone adjustments. The multiple light settings with both white light and a warm light really help you capture the perfect image of yourself. The ring light cancels out shadows nicely. Number 1. Video conference lighting kit for remote working. This video conference lighting kit offers adjustable color temperatures and brightness levels. You can easily customize it to make your skin look its best and suit any environment. The ring light design provides even and soft lighting, eliminating glare and shadows. It's perfect for various uses, including remote work, video conferences, and live streaming. The LED video light features a stable clip-on design that easily attaches to your computer screen. The light's direction and angle are adjustable, and it's also very portable. It's powered by USB, offering multiple power options like your laptop or a power bank. This makes it environmentally friendly and easy to use anywhere. We provide high-quality after-sales service. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We are always online to help you. What we like. This light offers adjustable color temperature and brightness to make your skin more perfect. The ring light design provides even illumination, and its compact size makes it easy to carry. If you're looking for a portable and effective lighting solution for video conferencing, this is a great choice. What people say. For the price and size, it works great. I like being able to change the light temperature and level. The size is perfect for my home office and easy to move around the house for other uses. The lighting is excellent and give me great video quality. These ring lights work great for Zoom meetings. You want soft, warm light directly in front of you, but not so bright it causes glare on your skin, and this light is small, lightweight, USB, and it works nicely. I like the remote attached to the cord. It's very convenient. The settings are great, all the way from 5600 K down to about 3000 K. The K means kelvins, the warmth or coldness of the light. The lower kelvins, K, the more yellow the light. For meetings, I prefer about 4000 K, which is called daylight. But there's one thing you gotta do yourself, and that's diffuse the light so it isn't glaring right in your eyes. I use a white athletic sock, the kind with the gray foot pad. Slip it right over the light, put the gray part forward, and boom, instant soft light with almost no glare in your eyes. If you want it a little brighter, keep the white part forward. Either way, the light is now softer and diffused, so it doesn't hurt your eyes even in a darkish room. You can buy a white lamp sock here on Amazon, but they only come in white, so they don't do much for glare. You can use any old white sock, and because LEDs don't get hot, there's no risk of burning or fire. All in good, a great little light that I'd buy again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.